Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika and today I'll be teaching you adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describes a noun and they basically answer the questions what kind, how many and which one. So there are 5 types of adjectives that we'll be studying. The first one is qualitative adjective, second is quantitative adjective, third is demonstrative adjective, fourth is possessive adjective and fifth one is interrogative adjective. So I'll be explaining you one by one. The first one is qualitative adjective. Now the words itself suggest what is qualitative, that describes the quality, right? So it can be like size, it can be color, it can be a quality of a person. So for example, if I say she is a tall girl, so this is a quality of that girl, tall. So the tall word is the quality. If I say she is beautiful, so beautiful is a word that describes the girl, so beautiful becomes the quality. An adjective is the quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective indicates the number or amount of a thing, like much, little, several, no. For example, there is no milk in the jar, so here no indicates the quantitative adjective. Coming to the third one, it is demonstrative adjective. Whenever the word demonstrative comes, we need to understand that it means pinpointing, and for pinpointing we use these, that, those, such words. For example, this is my book, those are the practical files, right? So this and those, that, these are the 4 words that represent demonstrative adjective. The fourth one is the possessive adjective. Now possessive, what is the meaning of possessive? That you are concerned, right? So possessive adjective means those words that show possession or belongingness. So for example, this is my friend Hina, right? So my is the word that show possession. Clear? Now coming to the fifth adjective, that is interrogative adjective. What is the meaning of interrogative? That means to interrogate, that is to ask question. Same as the interrogative adjectives where we ask questions. And whenever we talk about interrogative, that means the words that come from the category or the family of W and H, that is what, whose, how. These all words that refers to W and H are the interrogative adjectives. Like whose book is this? How many pens do you need? So these is interrogative adjective. So now that we have studied the 5 types of adjective, now we'll be studying about the comparison adjective. Now what is comparison adjective? There are 3 forms for the comparison adjective. The first one is positive, second is comparative, the third one is superlative. Now what is positive? Positive is a general statement, like she is a tall girl. When we come to the comparative, we talk about 2 or more comparison, that is comparison between 2 objects or more. That is, she is taller than Ritu. So here the word tall from the positive changes into taller in the comparative. That means comparative. We are comparing her with Ritu. That means she is taller than Ritu. When we talk about superlative, it refers to the comparison between 3 or more. That is, she is the tallest girl in the class. So here the word is tallest. So positive, tall, comparative, taller, and the superlative, tallest. So these are the 3 forms of comparison which refers at. So now let's recall what we have studied. We have studied the definition of an adjective, that is, that describes a noun. Second thing that we have studied is the types of adjective. There are 5 types of adjective. First one, qualitative, second, quantitative, third, demonstrative, fourth, possessive, and fifth, interrogative. Then we studied about the comparison of adjective. That is, there are 3 forms of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. So I hope that you have understood the chapter adjective. Take care. Bye.